If you want to start making sourdough, this is my step-by-step process on how to. You're going to need a scale and a mixing bowl. The key is an active starter, so you're going to need to feed your starter a day before. I always feed my sourdough starter the evening before, and then I start the process of making sourdough the evening after. It's lovely and bubbly, and I'm just going to pour in 100 grams. You'll then need to refeed your starter, and you can then refrigerate it for the next time you use it. And when reusing your sourdough starter, you'll repeat the process of feeding it the evening before and then starting the process the evening after. I then put in 9 to 10 grams of salt, optional olive oil. I'm actually making a chocolate sourdough, so I'm going to add some cacao powder. Then goes in the water, and we're going to give it a mix. Strong bread flour is going in next, and then we're going to form the dough. Now it's time for its first hour of resting.
I like to repeat this process a total of 3 times. It helps strengthen the dough. I leave for 45 minutes to an hour between each rest. I like to pinch, grab and fold over. I then leave it overnight for its bulk rise, no longer than 12 hours. The following morning, I preheat the oven and start to shape the dough. This is the time you can add bits to the dough. For example, chocolate chips for a chocolate loaf or blueberries for a blueberry loaf, just to name a few. Once shaped, I place into a Dutch oven and allow it to rest for a further 30 minutes before scoring. Place on the lid and bake in the oven for 20 minutes. Remove the lid and bake for another 40 minutes. Leave to rest for at least 3 hours. Store in a bread bin, use straight away, or freeze some slices and enjoy.